Have you ever wondered what secrets the vast oceans of our world hold beneath their serene surface? Welcome to an exploration of 20 fascinating facts about the oceans that make up over 70% of our planet's surface. 1. The oceans are the lifeblood of Earth, covering more than 70% of the planet's surface, driving weather, regulating temperature, and ultimately supporting all living organisms. 2. While it may seem like a vast, unending expanse of water, the average depth of the ocean is about 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers. 3. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean and contains around 25% of the total global sea area. 4. The ocean produces over half of the world's oxygen and absorbs 50 times more carbon dioxide than our atmosphere. 5. Over 90% of the ocean's habitat exists in the deep sea, also known as the abyss. 6. There are more historical artifacts under the sea than in all of the world's museums. 7. The longest mountain range in the world is under the ocean, known as the Mid-Ocean Ridge. This underwater mountain chain spans over 40,000 miles. 8. The Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth, can be seen from the Moon. 9. The ocean holds nearly 20 million tons of gold. However, each liter of seawater contains on average about 13 billionths of a gram of gold. 10. Oceans have lakes and rivers. These are formed when seawater seeps through thick layers of salt, creating a brine that is denser than the rest of the seawater. 11. The world's largest waterfall is under the ocean, between Greenland and Iceland. 12. More than 3/4 of volcanic activity on Earth happens underwater. 13. Only 5% of the world's oceans have been explored and mapped. 14. There are millions of shipwrecks on the ocean floor, many of which have yet to be discovered. 15. The pressure at the deepest point of the ocean can be more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. 16. Light can only penetrate about 330 feet into the ocean, beyond which lies perpetual darkness. 17. A staggering 95% of the ocean's living creatures are yet to be discovered. 18. The largest animal to have ever lived, the blue whale, lives in the ocean and can reach lengths of up to 100 feet. 19. The ocean is the world's largest habitat, home to millions of species, many of which remain unknown to humans. And finally, 20. The ocean is a critical player in the global carbon cycle, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide, reducing its impact on the climate. To summarize, the oceans cover more than 70% of our planet's surface, regulate our climate, produce more than half of the world's oxygen, and are home to a myriad of life forms. They hold countless secrets, from underwater mountains and waterfalls to unexplored habitats and undiscovered species. Despite their immense importance, much of our oceans remain a mystery, making them a fascinating subject of study and exploration. Remember, every time you look at the ocean's surface, you are peering into a world that is largely unknown and incredibly vital to our existence.